welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you inside one of my favorite thrift stores, Park Avenue Thrift. So if you're in the Atlanta area and you're looking for a new thrift store to shop at, then this might be your lucky day. Let's get right into it. Now, while y'all are shopping with me, I wanted to start off with a few tips when you're going to the thrift store. So my very first tip is to bring some patience with you. Some of these thrift stores have racks on top of racks on top of racks of clothing. This video would have been all day long had I just went through each one of the items that I actually went through. I am just giving y'all a glimpse of some of the items that are in there. I'm showing you exactly what is in there. I love the fact that this particular thrift store actually color code their items. So if you want something green, you can go over to like the green section or whatever. You want something purple, all of the pants are lined up in purple. And I just love that it makes it stand out a little bit more, if that makes sense. Now, my second tip is to wear something comfortable. The reason why I say this is because you're going to be there all day. I was here an hour and about maybe like 10 to 15 minutes, and you're going to be on your feet. So wear some comfortable shoes, especially if you can't wear anything comfortable for your clothing. I would suggest actually wearing some comfortable shoes. Now, I came across these little cow print pants. I love them, but they wasn't my size. It was a size small, and your girl just got to be honest with herself. She is not a small anymore. These Adidas pants was really cute, but I'm just over the skinny leg type of pants. I'm more so into straight leg, wide leg type of jeans or pants rather. But yeah, bring you some comfortable clothing. This will also help in the trying on process as well. Now, I didn't try on my items in this particular thrift store. This thrift store did had a fitting room, so it doesn't really matter if you wore something that's easy to like try on top of your clothing. I know one of the thrift stores that I shop at, they don't have a fitting room, and I just try to wear like leggings or something like that I can easily try on the items right then and there, because there has been a lot of time that I have gotten home with all of these items and I could not wear them. Thank God I do have a daughter that's smaller than me, and I just pass it on down to her. But you don't want to pay all of this money for this stuff, even though it's still affordable. You still don't want to waste money on items that you cannot fit. Now, my next tip is to go in with a plan. I already know in advance what you're going in here for. Now, I knew that I wanted to just show y'all all of the areas and all of the things that this particular thrift store had in stock. My usual plan, I'm sorry about that. My usual plan is I go for the jeans first, because I don't like to pay a whole lot of money for my jeans. So I'm just hunting down jeans. That's like my first section that I actually go to. And then I go towards the tops. I more so go for like the jackets and the blazers, because those items tend to be a lot more costly if you buy them like from a regular retail store. So those are my plan when I go into a thrift store. I'm shopping for bottoms, and I'm shopping for like coats and blazers and things like that I know would cost a lot of money if I was to get them from a regular retailer. I don't necessarily pick up tops from the thrift store unless I actually come over across one that I really like, because the shirt section, I don't know if y'all seen it a few slides back, but the shirt section kind of gives me anxiety. It be so many shirts, oh my god, and it just feels like forever when I'm going through them. Now, like I said before, y'all, jeans is where I actually go. These were Wild Fable jeans. Anytime I see Wild Fable in the thrift store, although they are sold at Target brand new, I'm still gonna pick them up at the thrift store. But this one wasn't my size, unfortunately. I didn't have any luck really at this thrift store, but it was, it felt good to actually be able to go back down here to this one. And I did find some really cool pieces, which later you will see at the end of this video. I'm actually going to try the items on. I have never done that in one of these videos, but y'all tend to like these thrift with me types of videos, and I just love giving them to y'all. So even if I probably won't buy anything from a thrift store, I don't mind just checking out local thrift stores in Atlanta area and just showing you what they actually have out at during that different seasons or whatever. So here's what the Park Avenue Thrift in Fayetteville, Georgia actually had in stock. I was loving these puffer vests. Love them. Love the colors and things like that. So if you're in the Atlanta area, if you're close to the Fayetteville area, then make sure you check out this local thrift store, y'all. Now, we're moving over to the shoes section because I'm a sneaker girl, and it just wouldn't be me if I did not check out the sneaker section. Now, I'm not a fan of like thrifted shoes, because I have bought thrifted shoes, but I like mine to look kind of like brand new. I don't like them to look worn, if that makes sense. And a lot of times I do those thrifting for sneakers and stuff like that online, from Poshmark, Macari, places like that, because you could typically get something that somebody has worn that still looks good. And I thought, I would just go ahead and share that. Now, some of these items come as bag items if you are, looking for stuff for Christmas and you may want to get something that's already bagged. Then check out your local thrift stores. If you are a new mom, maybe you don't have a bassinet, maybe you don't have things that your kids can play with, maybe you're looking for Christmas toys, check out your local thrift stores, y'all. Like, I cannot stress this enough. Like, chairs, furniture, all of these items, very, very, very affordable. And I just really wanted to take y'all behind the scenes so y'all can actually see this for y'allself, that this is what is inside of this Park Avenue thrift store located at Fayetteville, Georgia. So make sure you check them out. I will leave the address to this particular thrift store down below in the description box, just in case you want to check it out. As I was still shopping along, I noticed that they had Christmas stuff already out. So if you're still looking for Christmas decorations, they had a few items here and some Halloween stuff, to be quite honest. They even had some adult costumes. So if you are looking for an affordable costume, they may not have all the pieces. Let's just be honest. And a zipper may be broke on the item. Make sure you check out a local thrift store to get it at an affordable rate, especially if you already know how to sew and put things together. I do not, y'all, but I wanted to be transparent about some of the items. Now, if you are a man and you're looking for some dress shoes, this is a great place to go for those items as well. Maybe you're going on a job interview. Check out your local thrift store for all of those types of items. So I finally made it home from my Park Avenue thrift store, one of my favorite thrift stores here in Atlanta. That one was actually in Fayetteville, Georgia. They have different locations all over Georgia, and maybe in other states as well. I'm not exactly sure. But in this video, y'all, I have shown y'all exactly what was inside of that particular Park Avenue thrift store. You don't necessarily have to just go in there for clothing. You can actually find furniture stuff. You can find some gifts for your kids. Christmas is right around the corner. It does not take a whole lot of money, y'all, to continue on making your family happy and to pick up some items on a budget. I love being on a budget. I love shopping at the local thrift stores, and I just wanted to take y'all behind the scenes and show y'all what is exactly inside of that particular thrift store. And now I'm going to show you what I actually picked up, and I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. So this is my bag. One thing about the thrift store, you'll learn that very quickly. The items that you actually buy from the thrift store, they're probably going to put it in garbage bags, y'all, or clear bags like this, or maybe even just like a grocery type of bag. But let's get right into the items that I actually picked up from my Park Avenue thrift store. And then also I'm going to try these items on and just kind of like give a review of the item and tell you guys how much I actually paid for each item. So the first item I picked up is this eat sign. I thought that this would be very perfect for my kitchen. If you do not know, I just moved into this house. I'm still trying to get everything together. I'm still actually looking for like pictures or artwork for my content room. But when I saw this, I felt like this matches the color scheme that I'm actually doing for my kitchen and my living room area. And I just had to pick it up. It was $3.93, and today was half off on everything except for pink tags. So I got this half off as well. Next up is this puffer vest. Now, if you do not know, or if you do not follow me on Instagram, I love puffer vests. I have a whole lot of puffer vests. I did not need this puffer vest, to be honest, but I love this color, and I knew I already liked puffer vests. So when I saw this was $6.56, and like I said before, all tags were half off except for pink tag. This is a yellow tag here, so I got this for like $3. Who not gonna pick this up for $3? I know I am, y'all, because winter is coming up. I like wearing these with my long sleeve shirts. I love wearing them with turtlenecks. I love wearing them just like with anything, basically. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try it on so you guys can actually see how it looks on me. The next item I picked up was this crop hoodie. This is a quarter zip hoodie, and y'all know my favorite color is purple. So when I saw this, I knew that I had to get it. It's just a regular plain crop pullover sweatshirt. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. I thought that this would be really cute to like when you're going out for a walk or for a run, or you going to the grocery store just to run some errands. You just want to throw on some tights, some leggings, or maybe even just some jeans and a hoodie. This would be perfect for that. So let's go ahead and try this on and see exactly how it fits. Crop hoodie was $7.57. It is a yellow tag, so I did get this half off as well, and it is extremely thick. This is perfect for the wintertime. I was already getting hot as I tried this thing on, but I absolutely love this crop hoodie. I'm so glad I actually picked this up, because at first I was not going to pick it up because I did not know exactly what size it was. But now actually finding the tag and realizing that it is a size small, which is my size, absolutely love that I actually picked this up. The next item I got was a pair of jeans. Now I'm always looking for jeans in the thrift store, y'all. The thrift store is my favorite place to actually shop for my jeans, because jeans can be very expensive. I don't like to pay no more than $20 for a pair of jeans. These were $6.56. These were a pink tag, so I did have to pay the regular price for them. So I hope that they actually fit. These are Shein jeans, and they are a petite medium. I do have another pair of Shein jeans that are a petite medium as well. So when I saw this size, saw it was the same size of the other pair of jeans I got from Shein, because I never actually purchased any pair of jeans from Shein. I actually thrifted those as well. I just wanted to try them out. So I'm going to test these out and see if I can actually fit these, because one thing about me, my weight goes up and down, especially on the bottom portion. And a lot of times I cannot fit the jeans that I once owned. But I do keep them because, like I said before, y'all, my weight go up and down. Maybe next year I may be able to fit them. So that's why I keep majority of my jeans. But let's go ahead and try these jeans on and see if they actually fit. So even though I know I have on my leggings up under them, and these pants are a little bit, tight for my liking with the leggings up under them, so I know that they will fit perfectly once I take the leggings off. So I actually love the fit of these jeans. They are a little bit wrinkled. They hit the bottom of my ankle right here, which I absolutely love. So I know the shoes will look perfect with them, but I love these jeans, and I'm happy that I actually picked them up. Next up are these joggers that I picked up. These are Shein. I got them in a size medium because, like I said before, y'all, my weight be fluctuating, and it don't seem like a girl is in a small anymore. But when I saw these joggers, I was like, okay, well, maybe I could style this with a graphic tee to give it more of a casual wear and some sneakers. That's what I was thinking in my head. Now, I haven't necessarily have anything like this in my closet before, but I'm just gonna try it out. That's one thing about the thrift store. It's a great place to find new items that you actually want to try out and test out and not have to spend a whole lot of money. This was $4.64, and I got it for half off. So for $2.32, I don't think that's a really bad price. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and see exactly how they fit. So these are actually not really bad. I love the fact that they do have pockets on them. I feel like I can wear a graphic tee and probably, you know, like crop it like how I have this shirt is, but this shirt is not cropped, it just fitted. But make my graphic tee into a fitted shirt or whatever. Absolutely love it, you guys. Like, I love how it fits. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. And yeah, I just like these pants. The next item I got from the thrift store were these jeans for my son. Anytime that I'm going somewhere and I'm shopping for myself, I always find something for my son. It's like, I don't even be going in there for him, but I always end up coming out with things for him. And I'm so happy that I did, because I like these color pants. I think that these are perfect fall pants. They were $4.94 at half off because it is a yellow tag. I was able to get them for like, what, $2 and something. They are from H&M. So yeah, they are a name brand. I absolutely love it. It's kind of hard for me to shop for my son in the thrift stores because a lot of times they don't have many boys items. And maybe I should be the one like donating my son's stuff when he grows out of things. But that's something to actually really think about. If you have kids and they outgrow their things, maybe consider donating to the thrift store so people like me can actually come in and find some things for little boys, because it seems like I can never find anything for him in the thrift stores. I actually have to shop online for him or at like Marshall's or something like that. So the total spent today on this Park Avenue thrift haul was $24.08, you guys. So $25, let's just round it up to $25 is what I actually spent, which I feel like is not a bad price. So I hope this video gave you some inspiration and maybe even motivated you to check out your local thrift store. And make sure you check out this video where I did a thrift with me at a different thrift store, and I will see you in that video. Bye.